When you click on one of the 4 buttons called Sports, Entertainment, Sleep, Study, a chart needs to be created according to the data in the time schedule table that we have created. Now, let's create the required code for that. First, let's consider the case of clicking on the Sports button. An on-event code block under UI controls is dragged here. By clicking on this arrow, we select the button we want. I click Sports. Click on the arrow here and select Click. For the chart to be displayed, the image above the chart needs to be hidden. Let's hide this image first. For that, a Hide Element code block in the UI controls is dragged here. Click on this arrow and select the element we want to hide. From here, I selected Image Display. Creating the chart is not enough. For the chart, we need to give a title. For that, let's create a variable called option.title. I drag an x equal code block in the variable section again like this. Since there is no code block here that needs to be given as option.title, let's prepare this part by typing. I click on Show Text. Now we are creating the 5th row. Here, instead of x, option.title is given and click on Show Blocks again. Now you need to give the title here. Since we have to click on the Sports button, the title here is given as Sports. Because of the string values, I type this word in inverted commas. Okay. Next, to create the chart, a draw chart from the record code block under data is dragged into this on-event code block in this way. From here, select the name of the chart, Chart Time. Next, we can select the type of chart we want. Since I want a line chart, I selected Line Chart. Here, the name of the table is given in inverted commas. We use the time schedule table to draw the chart. So I type time schedule in inverted commas. In front of that, the names of the columns required to create the graph are given. For this graph, all the columns of the table are not needed. Only data of 2 columns called day and sports are required. So I give day and sports in inverted commas here. Okay. Now we have prepared the code needed to create the chart for sports. Now let's click the Run button. Since we have created the code only for sports, I selected sports from here. As we wanted, the image was hidden and the chart was displayed. Because of the blue color we provided, a line chart has been created from the blue color. Also, the title we gave for the chart is displayed here. Okay. Now let's click the Reset button again.